Hi guys, this is the Kitchen Fairy with another, well, not recipe video, not ukulele nor piano, but this is a tutorial, just a quickie tutorial. And it's dark, I know, but because I want to show you what's behind me. So I prepared some decorations. If you have fireplace and some space above the fireplace and you'd like to decorate and kind of finding an idea or two what to do, I can show you what I did for this time. If you don't have fireplace, it's fine. You can do it, of course, for tabletop and nightstand or whatever surface you find in the house that you want to decorate. This is a nice, it's kind of like winter village, but in jars. And they are very affordable. Everyone can find the materials at dollar store or Dollarama. So yeah, check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! So we have some clear glasses jar. You can get them from dollar store or Dollar Tree. No, this is Dollarama. We checked Dollar Tree and they didn't have any. But of course you can buy fancy expensive ones from Walmart, Canadian Tire, IKEA. IKEA has nice with lid for $5. You can use the one with lids or not. And whoa, the cat just jumped. We got some of our Christmas village and ornaments already. These are for the boys, from the boys.
Yeah, that one is accidentally destroyed because it's the cats.
They were gonna make diorama, but I thought, hey, let's just make some ornaments with them while it's still messy. And you can use, for the snow, you can use flour, icing, sugar, coconut, grated coconut, desiccated coconut, or rice. It's up to you, but we're gonna use flour. So this is pretty simple. You just fill up the flour to your glass jar. Clean your glass jar. The wider the mouth is, the better. And then just fill up with the snow, fake snow, and place your ornaments inside. You just decorate with the ornaments you like to. Now we finished 3 of them. We're gonna keep making, but you get the idea now. Now to make our village nice at night, we're gonna need some fairy lights and of course batteries. And ta-da! Our above fireplace decoration is done. Simple and fun to do with the boys, with your kids. And they are all from dollar store. Hi Santa. Obviously you can add some leaves, green leaves, or red balls, red bulbs, or red tape, or Christmas colors, green, golden, red. It's up to you. You can add some dry ornaments in the back or in between, some pine leaves, pine cone, or whatever you wish. Again, this is fun to do with the boys, with your kids, and they are all using dollar store materials, so they are affordable and pretty at night.